In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up your Cash App PIN for more security. Firstly, launch the Cash App on your device. Tap the account icon in the top right corner. And next, tap on Privacy and Security and toggle the security lock on. Enter your new PIN, then confirm it by entering it again. You'll receive an email or text confirming your PIN change. Contact Cash App support if you didn't make this change. If you want to change your PIN, launch the app and tap Account icon. Then Privacy and Security again. Tap Change Cash PIN, enter your old PIN, and then enter your new one to confirm it. To reset a forgotten PIN, launch the app and go to Privacy and Security. Tap on Change Cash PIN, then select Forgot Cash PIN, and tap I forgot my cash PIN. Enter the code sent to your email, if required, your phone number, and enter your PIN and confirm it, and you'll receive a confirmation email or a text. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.